Home improvement projects are a big part of being a homeowner, but finding the right contractor can be challenging.
We're inundated with advertisements from contractors just about every day, but there are pitfalls you have to watch out for because the wrong contractor can lead to a bad experience. It can lead to overruns in the costs, overruns in the time, and even into potentially costly legal issues as well.
Which brings about the big question for every homeowner considering a home project.
How do I hire a reputable contractor?
To avoid contracting pitfalls, you should consider the following guidelines. Number 1, is your contractor licensed and insured?
You should ask for proof of insurance. You should ask to see a certificate of insurance and even check the validity of that insurance certificate by contacting the agent that provided that certificate of insurance.
Number 2, does your contractor have a good reputation?
So checking your contractor's reputation is key. You want to make sure that they have a history of delivering quality repairs in a timely manner and that they communicate with their clients on a regular basis. So first, you want to ask for 3 references, and you want to check those references. Second, it's great to see evidence of what those repairs look like. So photographs are a great way for a contractor to share with you what's the quality of the work they've done in the past.
And number 3, does your contractor provide a warranty?
A reputable contractor is always extremely proud of the work they've completed in the past, and they're very confident about the work they'll complete in the future. And a reputable contractor won't hesitate to provide you with a workmanship warranty on their completed work. If they won't, then I would keep looking for another contractor. At ContractorConnection.com, we provide you with all of these services, plus we match you with one contractor, the right contractor for your project.
For more information, visit ContractorConnection.com or go to designingspaces.tv.